chicken curry。怎么做咖喱鸡
？Hey, have you heard of the Singaporean chicken curry dish? 嘿，你听说过新加坡咖喱鸡吗
？No, never. 不，从来没有。
Me neither. 我也没有。The fact is that there's probably no such dish as Singaporean chicken curry. 事实是，可能并没有新加坡咖喱鸡这道菜呢。Singapore has many kinds of chicken curries though. Let's make one. 不过，新加坡倒是有很多种类的咖喱鸡，让我们来做一道吧。
Are you sure? You know how to make it? 你真的会做吗
？Well, we can always try. 好，就让我们试试看。It is very simple. First, get the pre-made curry paste from the supermarket. 很简单，首先从超市买到预制的咖喱酱。Also, prepare the ingredients, which are chicken and potatoes. 同时，准备好鸡肉和土豆的食材。Next, cook the ingredients with the curry paste. 接下来，将食材和咖喱酱一起煮熟。Ta-da! Here is our chicken curry dish. 好了，这就是我们的咖喱鸡菜肴。I ate some of the chicken. 我吃掉了一些鸡肉。Do you want to try the chicken curry too? 你也想试吃咖喱鸡吗
？No thanks, it's too spicy. 不要谢谢，太辣了。The end. Please like and subscribe. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye. 完结，请点赞订阅，谢谢，我们下次再见。